I don't know, pretty good fish. Oh, that's a good one.
Oh yeah.
That's a good one. Come on, that's a good
There we
fish.
go. Where are you going that way?
I'm trying to stay this way. Something's gone. Oh, that's a good fish right here.
There
now.
it is.
That's a decent little fish.
Yeah, it's a decent fish.
Come on, baby. It's not a dink, I know that.
Yeah, I know that's right. Big old gap top.
That's funny, I don't care who you are.
Uh-oh, where's he going?
I don't know, I may got somebody's line.
Uh-oh, who's line?
Yeah, I'm in there. Oh, it's right here under the boat. There it is. There it is. Yeah. Yeah, I got two line right here.
I don't know.
You know?
I'll hold it out like this. So
There you go. That's a money shot right there. Big money, big money.
Let me suck
Look,
in and crunch.
and then we get that wider angle lens.
Get it, girl.
Byron.
Ah, yeah. Be careful what you wish for, love.
Don't.
Yeah.
I got you. Go. Come on, I'll help you. Be careful, these guns might break your camera.
I see that. Yeah,
Come on, baby. You're doing good, baby. This is a good fish.
Yeah.
This is definitely gonna be a keeper fish, mama. Come on, I know. I told you. I told you. Hey, use your back. There you go. Now, come on. Now, you reel down, pull up. Reel down, pull up. Reel down. There you go. Now, come on. Reel down. There you go. You're doing good. Come on, mama. You're doing good.
Color. We got some deep color coming up.
I'm gonna get out of your way, bud.
Let's go.
Hey, come on. Here we go.
It's coming.
Oh, get that big sound.
No dark shadows. That's good. Nobody chasing them.
That's a good sign.
Yeah. Ooh, that's a good one. There we go. Dang it. Yeah, that's what we're going for. Yeah. There you go. Now when you lower your rod tip real faster, you gain line. You put your thighs against here, you use it better as leverage. Like lean your thighs against it, there you go. Help with your back. Let him run. If he's running, let him run. You can try to, don't want to put too much pressure. I don't know how thick this line is. It's thick. Y'all figured out?
Reel, bud. You got to reel, man. You're not going to get that fish in. The shark's going to eat it. You have to reel it. Keep my sharks all week. Lose him.
How's it going?
Still spinning? Yeah. Keep reeling. Keep cranking.
I'm good. He's looking at you for help. He's like, take over. Take over, Salito.
I don't want to go fishing. It's not going anywhere.
Get him.
Hook the big fish. Keep reeling.
Go.
Keep reeling. Try.
Don't stop.
TOD.
You can do it. Go.
I see color.
This is why you inshore fish. Oh, he's deep color. Hurry. That's a big old snapper. Come on. That's a picture worthy one. Let's go.
Get him.
Come on. There he is. Big snapper.
Get him.
Big snapper. Come on. No slack in the line. Keep cranking. Crank. Yeah, baby. go. That's a keeper.
Take your skirt off and reel that fish in, dude.
That's a keeper. Oh, hold on to it.
There's a big hammerhead.
Ah! There you go. There you go. Come on. There you go. Ooh, goodness. Big guy. Let's get him up. There we go.